I almost built this entire project in Airtable. I'm really glad I didn't, because about halfway through I found ToolJet and it completely changed how I was thinking about internal apps. Not because it looked prettier, because I stopped writing workarounds. My goal was simple: build a dashboard for tracking clients and support requests. Nothing fancy, just something my team could actually use. I expected the setup to be a headache: connect a database, break something, watch a tutorial, repeat. But it was smoother than I expected. I had a rough version running way faster than I would have with code. Then reality kicked in. The first version looked okay, it worked, but it also felt generic, like every low-code app you've ever seen. I almost scrapped it. Instead, I spent another half hour customizing it. That's when it finally started feeling like our tool instead of somebody else's template. One thing surprised me: connecting data wasn't the hard part. Figuring out how my team actually wanted to use the app, that took longer than building it. I didn't expect that. Another thing, if you're hoping ToolJet completely eliminates coding, it doesn't. The deeper I wanted to customize things, the more helpful it was to know a little JavaScript. Not a deal breaker, just something nobody really mentions. Now, if you're comparing ToolJet with Retool or Appsmith, don't get stuck comparing feature lists. I did that at first. It wasn't useful. The better question is how quickly you can build something your team will actually open every day. For me, ToolJet did a pretty good job there. Would I recommend it to everyone? No. If you're building a customer-facing SaaS product, I'd probably look somewhere else. But for internal dashboards, admin panels, approval systems, or business tools, yeah, I'd absolutely put it on the short list. So before you spend weeks building an internal app from scratch, try building the first version in ToolJet. Worst case, you lose an afternoon. Best case, you realize you've been overcomplicating the whole thing. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.